What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a quick and easy DIY, a flower mirror. A flower mirror. Trust and believe that thing that's turned around is a mirror, but y'all already know how mirrors work, and I didn't want all that reflection. So you're gonna need a dollar store, Dollar Tree mirror, some twine, some coffee filters, thumbtacks, glue, hot glue, and some scissors. Let's get started, guys. Okay, the first thing I did was take my twine, jute, whatever you want to call it, and I measured it to see how long I wanted my hanging rope, and I hot glued it. Now, for extra reinforcement, I would suggest put some E6000, or even like staple it to the back of it, just to make sure it's not going anywhere. But for now, for this video purposes, all I did was hot glue it. So let's go to the next step. Okay, the next step is to take your coffee filter flowers. If you're not really sure how to make these coffee filter flowers, I'll put the video in my description box of how to make these exact coffee filter flowers. But you're going to take your coffee filter flowers once you make them, and you're going to just simply, we're going to put it on the border of our mirror. And we're just going to line them all up, and we're going to hot glue them. So I'm going to take that step, and then when I come back, I have the finished mirror. Okay, guys, let me show you a quick little tip. So once you see how I make these coffee filter flowers, for this particular DIY, the only thing you're going to need to do that I suggest is to cut the tip off. And you just want to make it flat. A flat base, so when you glue it on your mirror, it'll stand up, and I'll show you why that step is needed. But just cut it off, make it flat. Alrighty, guys. Okay, guys, I have completed, and before I give you the complete shot, I just wanted to show you why it's important to cut off the little tip. Because when you place it on your mirror, you see how like the different spaces, it's about I'd say about about an inch or an inch and a half between each flower, but I stood them up, and so you see like right there where the base at. So I cut it off, and I just made it stand up instead of laying them down on their side. So that each one is just hot glue, and then I, placed it on there. Of course, this is the reflection, guys. I don't want that to confuse you. But yeah, that's why you need a flat base. And you see, you don't need that many flowers to make it look full. So once I sit it upright, you'll see what I mean. But I wanted y'all to get the clear understanding of how to actually glue it on your mirror. And it's real easy, guys. And there you have it, guys. The finished mirror. I had to turn the flash off because it would have blinded you guys due to the reflection of the mirror, of course. But I love it. I really love the way it turned out. And this is a Dollar Tree mirror, so it's not that heavy. So that's why you're able to hang it up, and it's not that, it's not falling down or whatever. But I still say do reinforcement. If you're going to hang it somewhere, especially, this is over carpet, so if it falls, hopefully it won't shatter. But if you, depending on where you're hanging your mirror, just make sure you secure it properly. But I love the way it turned out, guys. Very soft, very elegant. And you can easily write something on your mirror if you want to go that route. And it'd be real cute in a baby's nursery, a little girl's room, or, you know, of course, it's endless of where it can actually go. But I think it turned out really, really cute, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday.